Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Bus Simulator Ultimate Google Play login problem. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. If your Wi-Fi is slow or unstable, switch to a different Wi-Fi network or use mobile data. Then try signing in again. After that, turn off any VPN if you are using one because it can interfere with the game's connection. Next, open the Google Play Store, search for Bus Simulator Ultimate, and install any available updates. If the issue still continues, press and hold the Bus Simulator Ultimate app. Tap the eye icon to open App Info. Here, scroll down and open Storage. Then tap Clear Cache and confirm. Once the cache has been cleared, try logging in again. So that's basically how you can fix Bus Simulator Ultimate Google Play login problem. And that's it for this video. Thanks!